I'm taking a movie for Nana and Papa. Show them what you're doing.
I'm jumping on my bed, Nana and Papa.
Careful. Let's see what Paisley's doing.
Yay.
Paisley's making cookies.
Please, Paisley, should I have one of your cookies?
Can you give Piper a cookie? Oh, now we're playing with the Elmo balloon.
Thank you, Paisley. Picture to the animal balloon. Ah, get it in my hand.
Okay, let's... Paisley, can you walk to me? Show Nana and Papa how you can walk. Oh.
Uh-oh. Thank you. And make sure I have a cookie. Thank you. Alright.
Careful, guys.
Let's go back to my bounce.
Paisley's making more cookies. She's trying to get the cookie on the spatula is what she's doing. You show Nana and Papa how you can walk?
Here, put one on my plate. Can I have one on my plate?
Careful, Piper. You know better than to be sitting in the toy box. You say hi, Nana and Papa. No climbing on there. Say, wave to Nana and Papa. Piper.
I need to lay off so I can go to bed.
Can you wave to Nana and Papa? Say hi, Nana and Papa. I miss you. Please.
No, I'm sleeping.
Piper.
Okay. Hi, Nana and Papa.
Oh, look at the camera.
I missed you.
Say we're going to see you at Thanksgiving.
I will see you on Thanksgiving. I will see you.
Don't take that out.
Thanksgiving.
Hi, Paisley. Hi. Are you smiling? Come here. Paisley. Smile. Hi. You're making... Oh, look at your arm.